Evie loves dancing and being a superhero princess. Her dog Ghost is her trusty adventure sidekick. One morning, Mummy's voice called from the kitchen. Oh dear, my special cake recipe book is missing. Ivy twirled 3 times, activating her magical powers. I'll find it, Mummy. Let's go, Ghost. Ivy danced into the living room, searching everywhere. She discovered a toy paintbrush with blue smudges. A clue. Can you help Ivy twirl to follow it?
Your turn.
The smudges led Ivy to her painting corner. Ghost barked at the dollhouse where Dolly sipped tea. Did you see Mummy's book? Ivy asked Dolly. Her magical powers made Dolly point to the bookshelf. Between 2 storybooks was a flowery handprint. Ghost sniffed a trail to Teddy's tea party. Teddy wore a chef's hat and had the book. Teddy wanted to bake a surprise for everyone. Ivy hugged Teddy and returned the book to Mummy. Let's bake together, said Mummy. Ivy danced joyfully. What can you do when someone needs help?
Your turn.
Dance!
Now, stand up and twirl like Ivy. What adventures await Ivy next? Dance party with Mummy? More mischief with Ghost?